Organic Lock is a powdered binder made from a renewable plant resource. It's designed to be blended with crushed aggregate to create natural-looking pathways and surfaces. The binder locks the aggregate in place to minimize erosion and minimize project site maintenance. The patented formula was developed from more than a decade of research by agricultural scientists from the University of Guelph, as well as the Federal Research Lab at Agriculture Canada. Organic Lock blended aggregate is designed for pedestrian traffic, vehicular traffic, sports fields, and cart paths. It resists erosion to reduce washouts caused by heavy rain. It's water permeable, allowing sitting water to permeate into the groundwater table. Its sturdy surface qualifies the project as wheelchair accessible. And lead points are available to be earned for multiple different elements. Why use asphalt or concrete when you can use Organic Lock blended aggregate? With the move towards natural, permeable surfaces, Organic Lock projects have been increasing at an exponential rate across the globe. Combining science and nature, Organic Lock creates environmentally friendly, functional pathways and surfaces.